Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at Nearpod and how you create a Nearpod. First of all, we'll access Nearpod by Googling it. When you Google it and select Nearpod, you can log in with your Google account, then click Create. When you do that, this screen comes up and you can click Add a Slide. And when you do that, you see that you have several options. You can add content. When you do that, you see you have slides, you have 3D, some physics simulations. Um, it really is unlimited to what you can add. You can add videos. This field trip option is really neat. Virtual reality field trips. You do need goggles to utilize that in your class, but it is a great activity to incorporate into your lessons. You click on the arrow and you see there's some other things, slideshow, video, um, PDFs that you can insert. You can do just audio. Um, it does connect to some social media. So then go to add web content. And this is where you're going to go to the internet and search for web sites to insert. And then you can look at add activity. You can do polls, open-ended questions, quizzes. Um, the neatest feature here is this draw it. That lets all the students' devices become basically interactive whiteboards. So you can add that. The collaboration tool lets them collaborate together. Then you have fill in the blanks, some memory tests, matching pairs, kind of like Quizlet. So this is one of the best things about Nearpod is adding the activities. Okay, so we're going to add a slide. Down here where you see drag and drop or upload files, you can upload files from your Google Drive. Um, that's the quickest way to add your own slides, presentations, or whatever. One of the things that I want to discuss with you is the Google search images up here. It is a safe search, so you are a little limited to what you can pull up and insert, which is a good thing when you're in school. Like you can't pull up Walmart shoppers or something, Google that and get pictures. Students wouldn't be able to do that to put in their Nearpod presentation. So that is a neat feature, safety feature that Nearpod has. Before we leave here, I want to show you how to insert a Google Drive file. You just open your Google Drive, and if you've already got a Google slide presentation, you can research it here, put that in and search for it. And when it comes up, you can just select it and then insert it into your Nearpod lesson. Then you can add other content into the lesson. You can add the polls, a quiz, whatever into this. Then you could, after that, you can preview it, do a dry run, see what it looks like, and don't forget to save it. And then you publish it, and it is good to look at then. Here we're generating a preview, and you can see what it's going to look like, or what the class is going to see. So this is Nearpod, how to create a Nearpod. It's really easy, and if you're not using it, you are missing out. It's a great presentation tool. Thank you.